Hello beautiful people, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Harvest time tracking software. There are numerous benefits of using this time tracking software. As with Harvest, you'll be able to track how much time you or your team members spend on a project. By doing this, you'll be able to accurately bill clients for the amount of time that you spend on projects. You'll also be able to view how long your team members spend on projects. So if you realize that they're spending too long on certain projects, you'll be able to help them, or you'll be able to talk to them, and this in turn will help to increase the amount of work that they can do in a particular time. And you can also show proof to your clients that you are doing X amount of work in X amount of time, so that they won't feel away when you charge them a certain amount of money for your time or your work. If this sounds good to you, be sure to watch this tutorial until the end, as I will be showing you step by step how to use Harvest time tracking software. And you can see that it is being actively used by over 70,000 companies, and thus far it has tracked over 2 billion hours, and they have received over $19.6 million invoice paid. So all you'll need to do now to get started, you can tap on Get Started for free, or you can tap on Try Harvest free. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. On this dashboard, the first thing that I would recommend you do is you can invite your team members. So you can tap on Team from the top left-hand menu option. After you have tapped on Team, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And all you'll need to do, you can tap on Invite Person. And from here, you can type in the team member first, last name, work email. Then you can tap on Invite and Continue. And you'll be able to invite team members by doing that. If it is a case that you would like to import a CVS, you can simply tap on Import right there, and you'll be able to upload the individuals that you would like to add. Right there, you can upload your contacts. Now, once you have added your team members, all you will need to do now, you can go to Projects right here from the top left-hand corner. Then from there, you could create a new project. And you can see an example of how a sample project would look. You can see it right here. Now, to create a project, all you'll need to do is tap on New Project in the top left-hand corner. Once you have tapped on New Project, you can name your project. Let me do that real quick. So we're going to choose our client right here. We can choose a client. So let's tap on Example Client. Then you could give the project a name. So let's say, for example, create YouTube thumbnail. So let me type in that real quick. Then you could enter your project code. Then you'll select the date that it starts. So let's say tomorrow, and I'll select the date when it ends. So it ends the 15th. Then you can scroll down and you can add the notes right there. After you have done that, you can select the permissions. Then you'll scroll down and you'll see project type. So you can see time materials billed by the hour with billable rates. Or if you want a fixed rate right there, you can select that, or non-billable. If you select time by time and materials, from here you'll see we need billable rates to track your project's billable amount. So you can see right there, you can put in the amount that you will be paying the freelancer per hour. So let's say, for example, $10 per hour, and set a budget to track your project's progress. And you can set in the amount of hours right there. Then you can see budget resets every month. And all you'll need to do now, you can scroll down and you could tap on Save Project right here. Once you have saved the project, you can see that it has been saved right there. You will now be able to view the progress, as you can see right here. Now, all I want you to do is go over to the top left-hand menu option. And from there, you could tap on Time. And from there, you'll be able to view the time. So you could tap on Track Time right there. And you can see Create YouTube Thumbnail. All you'll need to do now is tap on Start Timer. Tapped on Start Timer, you can start creating the YouTube thumbnail. And and it will track the amount of time that you are spending to create it. Once you are finished, you'll tap on stop. And once you have tapped on stop, it will track your time right there, and you'll be able to bill the individual. And you can tap on reports right here to view your reports. So let's do that real quick. You can see right here reports, and you'll view the amount of work that you have done, and you can view it right here. After you have done that, you can also tap on invoices in the top left hand menu option, and you can create a new invoice. So you can tap on new invoice right there. Then I'll select example client, and you can see create an invoice for tracked time and expenses. And you could tap on choose project. So let's say I want to choose the project that I did earlier. You can see right here. You could tap on the project. So let's say this one right here. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and you can see billable hours. Then we'll tap on review invoice. So let me do that real quick. So you can see the invoice number, and scrolling down, you can see all of the information right there. So you can see the amount due. Then all you will need to do now, you can scroll down and tap on save invoice. So after you have tapped on save invoice, if you would like to send the invoice to the client, you can tap on send invoice right here. If it is a case that you'd like to copy the invoice link to share on any social platform or so on, you could tap on copy invoice link right here. Now, the other thing that you can also do on this platform is you can tap on estimates from the top menu option, and you can create estimates that you can share with potential clients. So you could tap right there. Then from here, you could create an estimate. So you could add the service that you offer right there, and you can add items, and you can also add your notes. And from here in the top right hand corner, you can tap on new client, and you could add the individual that you would like to send the estimate to. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on save estimate. Then from there, you can choose to either send the estimate directly using this platform, or you can choose to simply copy the link and then share it on whichever social platform you want. And that is basically it when it comes on to Harvest time tracking. And if you would like to go onto their paid plan, you can do that. So for example, you can see that their paid plans right here starts off at $10.80. And with that, you'll get unlimited seeds, unlimited projects right there. And you can also try their paid plan for free. So you can try it for 30 days free trial period. And they also offer a free plan which you can use unlimited, as you can see, free forever. But with their free plan, you'll only be able to track 2 projects, and it will only be you alone, so you can't add team members or so on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.